Mm.
It's a matter of great pride that retired CRPF personnel have taken keen interest in developing these children to go up to the international level and win gold medals. We are really grateful to those ex-CRPF personnel who are doing human service to this society. I wish all these young players all the best, and I am quite sure they all come from the sporting community. The entire Manipur, though it's a small state, but it has produced lot of international players in many fields, and I am quite sure these budding talents, though they are already shining at international level, they will do better and do more service. Will earn more medals at bigger levels, and I'm quite sure one day they all will be the international figures. I once again congratulate them and also extend my thanks and gratitude to them who have organized this function of felicitation to these young talents. With these, once again, I extend my best wishes. Thank you.